In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Admin on Life 360. To start, ensure you are a current Circle admin. This is crucial because only someone with admin rights can make changes to the admin status of others. If you are not an admin, you will not have the necessary permissions to proceed. Take a moment to check your status within the app. This step matters because maintaining proper admin control helps manage your Circle effectively. Next, remember that there must always be at least one admin in the Circle. This requirement ensures that someone is always available to manage settings or respond to issues. It prevents any disruption in the management of your Circle. If you are considering changing admin roles, it's good practice to verify that you will still meet this requirement once the change is made. Now, let's make someone an admin. First, open the Life 360 app on your device. Look for the familiar Life 360 logo, which is a teal and white circle, and tap to launch the app. Once you are in, you will see the main interface that displays your Circle members and their locations. This is the starting point for all your Circle management tasks. Once you have the app open, tap on Settings. You can find this option typically represented by a gear icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tapping on this icon will lead you to a menu with various options, allowing you to customize your Circle settings. This step is important because it sets the stage for the next actions you need to take. From there, tap on Circle Management. This option lets you control various aspects of your Circle, including adding or removing members and changing admin statuses. Look for this option in the Settings menu. It's essential to navigate to this section to ensure you are in the right place. You will see a list of your Circle members shortly. Next up, tap on Change Admin Status. This option allows you to adjust who has admin rights within your Circle. When you select this, you will see a list of all current Circle members. It's a straightforward way to manage who can take on admin responsibilities. This clarity assists in maintaining a well-organized Circle that can operate smoothly. Now turn on the switch next to the member you want to make an admin. This action is simple but powerful, as it grants them new privileges within the Circle. Watch for the toggle switch to change color or position, indicating that the change has been made. You should see a confirmation appear on the screen, signifying that the member is now a Circle admin. After that, the member is now a Circle admin. You have successfully changed their status. This means they can now manage settings, add members, or adjust permissions as needed. It's a significant responsibility, so ensure you trust the person you are making an admin. This change helps distribute the workload of managing your Circle effectively. With that ready, you have completed the process of changing an admin on Life 360. Remember, managing admin rights is essential for keeping your Circle organized and functional. You can always revisit these steps if you need to make further changes in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.